Jai Hind students, here I am giving you the real example of your monoecious plant that belongs to Cucurbitaceae. It is a type of field trip. I found this plant of Karela. ये करेला है just beside my home, and here this Karela, that is Momordica, belongs to the family Cucurbitaceae, and it gives the best example of a monoecious plant. It is given in your chapter 2nd of class 12, in which you have to study about monoecious, dioecious, bisexual, unisexual plants and flowers. So monoecious plant is a plant that contains both type of flowers, and Cucurbitaceae is a monoecious plant having unisexual flower. मीन्स ये मोनोसियस प्लांट है, इसमें आपके दोनों फ्लावर रहेंगे मेल एंड फीमेल, बट अलग अलग रहेंगे. सो आपको बुक में लिखा भी हुआ है, आपके बुक में, कि मोनोसियस प्लांट कैन बियर बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर and can bear unisexual flower. So Cucurbitaceae is example of monoecious plant that contains unisexual flower, but both the flower is on the same plant. So see this is your male flower. आप देखिए मेरे हाथ में पॉलेंस भी लग गए. So this flower has become mature and this is your male flower. The condition of anthers anther arrangement in Cucurbitaceae is your synandrous condition, in which anthers and filaments are completely fused. You will see that its anthers and filament will be completely fused and the pollen grains are out, so the plants are mature. Here we can touch the pollen grains. See. So this shows that the pollen grains are mature, and the pollen grains of this flower will fall on female flower, and the female flower is separate. So this also gives an example of your geitonogamy, in which the two flowers are involved. One pollen from one flower falls on the second flower, but the plant is same. Means the pollens of this and this male flower will fall on the female flower of this plant, but the plant is same. So there will be no genetic variation in the seeds. So this is your morphologically cross pollination, but genetically it is self pollination. So Cucurbitaceae can be used in both the examples, that it is a monoecious plant in which bears unisexual flower, means the flower are separate. So here I let you see the male flower. I am searching the female flower. अगर अब देखो मैंने बता दिया कि ये पॉलेंस मैच्योर हो चुके हैं, इट मीन्स पॉलिनेशन हुआ होगा. तो फीमेल फ्लावर को देखते हैं. हाँ देखो, see here, this female flower pollination हो चुका है, and the ovule of the ovary of the flower has developed changed into the fruit. That is the fruit is your Karela. So this is separate female flower. आप देख रहे हैं कि फीमेल फ्लावर में फ्रूटिंग हो चुका है, और इसके अलावा बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हैं. इस प्लांट पे बहुत सारे फ्लावर है. अगर सारे फ्लावर बाइसेक्सुअल होते तो सारे फ्लावर एक साथ फ्रूट में कन्वर्ट हो गए रहते, लेकिन इनमें मेल फ्लावर्स सेपरेट होते हैं. इसलिए आप देख सकते हैं कि सेपरेट मेल फ्लावर, इसमें अभी फ्लावर बिल्कुल फ्लावरिंग पोजीशन में है, और जो फीमेल फ्लावर है वो क्या हो चुकी है, पॉलिनेशन होने के बाद फ्रूट में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है. So it is your best example of monoecious plant having unisexual flower, and the pollination is geitonogamy. So luckily here I found that this plant is also Momordica Karela, and this plant is of also Momordica Karela. Here you can also see the same plant, the flowers are unisexual. This is male flower, and if we will search any female flower, जरूर वो करेला को बियर कर रही होगी. ढूंढते हैं. Yes, see how beautiful this means pollination has occurred and the female flower is converted into, the ovary is converted into fruit. Okay, and the flower is now diminishing, or it is in shading position. So here also, if the pollens of this flower falls on female flower, here it is also geitonogamy. But now you can imagine that this is one species of Karela and here is another species of this Karela. The same, but here two plants are there, two separate plants. So if the pollen of this plant, pollen anthers of this plant will fall on this plant, there will be genetic variation also, and it is morphologically also cross pollination. Pollen of one anther is falling on the second different plant and of different flower but belonging to the same species. This is also Karela and this is also Karela. But if the pollen of this Karela will fall on this, it is geitonogamy. ये है आपका geitonogamy. So this is Karela, monoecious plant having unisexual flower and both the flower on the same plant. In the next video, next part, I will show you the maize plant also, क्योंकि इसके just बगल में मेज की खेती हो रही है. Okay, thank you.